It's a 2014 Honda Accord. Customer took it to the dealer. Dealer mentioned that on the left side, she said she heard a noise, and the Honda dealer told her that she needed a stabilizer pin. Here you have Billy shaking the stabilizer pin. Just do that again so it shoot the top. The stabilizing link is okay. The problem that is causing the vehicle to move, here, go both, okay, that's the click I want to hear, is the ball joint. Hold on. Okay, so then going to the other side, stabilizer pins are okay, and the ball joint on this side is okay. All right, now there was a leak up here, the antifreeze leak, and that is good. That's coming from the transmission cooler. They said she was leaking there, and they were right on that one.